Hi guys, and today is a new video about TikTok. Today we will show you how to delete and clean all your watch history on TikTok. Yes, you can do it smoothly after tapping on the TikTok app. And as you can see right now, we are on our profile page where we have to click on the three lines icon at the top of the screen. Later, let's choose Settings and Privacy option. And later, let's choose Watch History feature. Amazing! So right now you can check all of your watch history, but we are interested in this icon, in this settings icon. Let's click on it one time. And later, as you can see, we have this small feature like Clear History. Let's click on this option and choose the clear one. Yes, amazing! Right now no one and you also cannot to check your TikTok's history. So no problem, from now on you can smoothly manage your history on the TikTok account. And we hope that this tutorial was short but interesting and useful. Don't forget about likes and of course subscribe to our HardReset.Info TikTok and YouTube channels. Bye bye!